2018 Kia Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, power door locks, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag, child safety locks, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.